It flipped that. I think that boat righted itself. That boat was upside down.
Look at the trees.
Another aspect you can't ignore when talking about bad weather is hail. Just check out this size. It's practically the size of a baseball. While most of us are used to seeing precipitation in the form of tiny ice particles, in some regions, hail can get really big. In 2003, the largest hailstone on record measured 47.6 centimeters in diameter.
This is by far the worst hailstorm I've ever seen in my entire life. We have backup power here, don't they? Yeah, I bet we're on backup power.
We're gonna go. No, we don't have a generator.
No, we don't?
You don't have a
We
generator?
don't have a generator.
Oh, no, that's right, because when they went out that way, like, where in the heck
Was
was
the windows broken?
I'm sure we
In
yeah.
a car? No.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Especially if they're driving, and their speed.
No, like my
the
windows.
speed of the thing.
It's not uncommon for stormy winds to rip roofs off residential houses.